You got it. I wonder where they are.
It's a clue.
Oh, you see a clue. And here I was with... Where?
Right there.
Oh, our first clue. Well, what is it?
Potlets.
Pot lids? You don't say. Pot lids, tops for pots, the covers. Well, I wonder what Blue could want to do with those. Huh. Well, you know what we have to do? We have to write this clue in our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. I just happen to have my notebook right here. First, we draw one oval shape here, then another one here. Then curves for the edges, and two little knobby things like this, and we have pot lids. So, do you know what Blue could want to do today with pot lids? Well, maybe. Yeah, that's a good idea, but we should probably look for two more clues, just to be sure. Hey, more music. So, just yell if you see a clue.
A clue.
Yeah, just like that. Yell real loud.
A clue.
Oh, yeah, that's really good. But remember, only if you see a clue.
A clue.
A clue! I see a clue! Well, did you see the clue? Well, why didn't you say anything? Oh, well, now that we have our second clue, we need our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. So our second clue is this musical instrument. Well, what musical instrument is it?
A drum.
A drum. Right. How do I draw a drum? First, an oval for the top. A curved line here for the middle. The bottom. Then these zigzaggy lines here. There. A drum. So, what was our first clue?
Potlets.
Pot lids. Right. And now our second clue is this drum. So, what could Blue want to do today with pot lids and a drum? Do you know? Oh, yeah, that's a good idea, maybe. But I think we should find our last clue, just to be sure. Hey, is that what I think it is? Another chance to sing. The mail's here. Let's go.
A clue. A clue.
Is that what I think it is? I mean, is that a clue? That's a clue. I found a clue too. I mean, usually you find them and tell. Wow. Okay, so our clue is this toy. Huh. This little marching toy. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Okay, we need to write this clue down. We draw a boot shape for his hat, a circle for his head, his body, two arms, and two marching legs. His two eyes and a smile, this big wind-up key, and a line for his baton. They're a marching toy. Our third clue. Our third clue. Where do we go?
Our thinking chair.
Thinking chair. Let's go.